Go get it. It's hot. It's humid. And it's still September, man. We are in a heat wave. No rain. We're in a drought. Which brings me to today's video. Some locals, some people in this area here in Indiana think, and listen to me now, think the reason we have so much humid weather is because of the corn. You heard me right, folks, corn. Now, it's obvious here in southeastern Indiana, pretty much all of Indiana, you see a lot of corn. Oh my God, that sun is hot. And corn sweats. That's why corn does so good in very hot temperatures, because it sweats. And guys, it sweats a lot too. We're not just talking a little bit, we're talking it actually makes lots of water. I don't exactly have the statistics how much water, but trust me, it does. So people in Indiana, not all of them, believe that's why it gets so humid here. And it's obvious I'm in here in the dog park with Kitt. We're going to try to run him out a little bit in these hot temperatures. Kitt, you ready to get the ball? Hey, Bubby. Hey, you ready to get the ball?
Come on, no, don't eat that.
Yeah, when we first get here, he likes to do a lot of sniffing. And every now and then I try to shoot the ball and he'd chase after it. Then he chases after it a little bit. Then we head to the other side because that's where the water is. The water thing over here is still broken. Hi, Angie. We're going to walk on down here to the other bench, and usually when we get so far down, he comes a hauling butt up. But yeah, the corn. Now, yeah, it's me saying this, and I said some of the locals say this. Now, it's even on TikTok too. I know you shouldn't get your news from TikTok. That's what my kids tell me. But yeah, it's all over TikTok as well. Ready? Go get it. And what we do is, bring it back. Bring it back. Why don't he bring it back to me every time? Well, we work our way down to the other bench down yonder, if you can see it. Then we shoot the ball down here a few times. Then we work our way on over to there. We ain't gonna be out here that long because, like I said, it's hot. It's humid. And it's September, and we're in a freaking heat wave. Yeah, now the corn, from what I gather and what I've heard from other people and from TikTok, it produces the humidity. Now, with the corn doing the sweating, and lots of water comes off this corn, y'all. By the corn doing all the sweating, yes, there is going to be some vapors rise from it. Now, is that enough to fill all of Indiana with humid? I don't know. But I will tell you something, though, that is weird with the weather. And I can't figure this out. I'm not a meteorologist, but you take it where I'm at right now, it is about maybe 95 degrees. If I go up to Versailles, it's always about a 2 degrees, sometimes 3 degrees cooler. Does that have anything to do with the corn now? Oh my God, that sun is freaking bright and hot. Oh my Lord. Okay, Kitt, ready? Ready? Go get it. I should have put the camera on him. Okay, let's head over to the other side because it is freaking hot. And I feel sorry for the people over yonder there. Let me show you when I get up further, guys. Better yet, let me show you when I get into the small dog side. And I show you what's going on at my surroundings. Okay, I'm gonna put the camera up. As you see, there's lots of people here. We're gonna go on a fast turn there, guys. But they're having, ready, Kitt? Oh, they're having soccer games. And I feel sorry for the kids out in this heat. Some people will say, oh, they're kids, they don't feel the heat. That's crap. They do feel the heat. It's just they won't tell their parents that they're hot. Sometimes they may not even know that they're hot. But having out here for either games or practice in this heat is just ridiculous. But yeah, right next to the dog parks here is soccer fields. And a lot of times we come down because it is soccer season. We've been seeing them all. You know, it's the same place he's pooped every time. Here. So, do any of you guys live in the state of Indiana? And if you do, what do you think about the corn that might be the cause of the humidity, and some say it's the cause of the heat too. When, for the rest of you guys that don't live in Indiana, what do you think? Is it the corn? Now, as you notice in the video, which I haven't got the footage yet, I got some footage of corn. If I pick the spot I want to go, I might be walking right next to it. I won't get that until this evening when we go out for the second time. But yeah, what do you guys think? Now, let's talk about my hair. I haven't shaved my head in 6 days. 6 days, guys. I've not shaved my head. I haven't shaved my face in 6 days either. Can you see it? I still have suntan lotion on there, obviously, because it's coming in slowly and it's still very thin. Oh my God, it's hot. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can get him to chase a few more balls. Come on, Bubby, have you had it? Ready? Hey, ready? Go get it. I don't want to overdo my puppy either. I gotta look for signs that he's had too much sun too. Come on, Bubby, bring it back. Good boy. He goes right past me. Drop it. Drop it. Oh, he did. Come on, why don't we get some more water? Here, let's fill this up. It's already full. Yeah. Come on, Kitt. Think he's ready to go?
I think he's ready.
Yeah, you want to go home? Ready to go home?
Ready to go home?
Come on, let's go home.
Ready to go
or you want to chase one more ball? Want to chase one more ball or you want to go home? Which is it, baby? Okay, he's ready to go home. Okay, I'm going to break into the video. I'm up here getting the corn shots and oh, it is just beautiful how it goes around like this. And I went over and touched one of these stalks and I don't feel any moisture on it, so I don't know. But this is absolutely beautiful. Maybe I'll get a picture of the corn stalk itself to put in a thumbnail. All right, back to your all's video. Normally I would let him run it out a heck of a lot more, but with the heat and humidity, no. We would be back here again tomorrow, and plus he's going with a venture with us tonight. Don't know what that is. We haven't really planned anything because of the heat. All right, guys, leave your comments down below. What do you think of the corn controlling the heat and humidity in Indiana? Leave it down there. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.